Hello, I'm Kirsten Piota. I'm the Communications Director here at the CTCPA, and today I'm going to do a quick demo of how to place a classified ad on the CTCPA website. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and you'll see here now that we are on the CTCPA website. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead here into my career path and choose Careers Hub and Classified. From here, you'll see you can go in and view the current classified ads. You can see them here, and you can also search by keyword or look by filter. So for example, I can select help wanted and then filter the ads that way. From here, you can use this add classified button if you would like to place an ad, or you can also from this careers hub and classifieds page, choose the place an ad button. From in here, you're going to see the options of what type of ad you'd like to place. For online, we have 3 options, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. And if you hit this little drop down here, you can see the various pricing for those options. So for example, if we wanted to do online for 30 days, we'd check that box. And then you'll also see here that we have 3 options for print. These are the next upcoming Connecticut CPA magazines, and you can also check out that pricing and then select which one you would like to do if you'd like to and check the box. You'll also see here we have the option for volunteer opportunity. So this would be if you work with a not-for-profit or another organization and you're looking for someone to serve on your board of directors or in some other type of volunteer opportunity, you would use that checkbox, and the pricing for those is free as a service to our members and the organizations. Down here under contact information, you'll see this checkbox for a confidential ad. If you check that box, then none of your contact information below will show up alongside the ad. It would just be the title of the ad and then the text that you input. If you would like people to be able to reach out to you directly, you can just leave this unchecked and put in your information. You'll see down here, phone number is optional. We do require the email address. From here, you have the option to add a logo. You don't need to, but if you'd like to, you can just hit choose file and then double click on the image that you'd like to use, and that will show up right there. So under classifieds title, this is where you would put in the title of the ad that would show up on that search page and also at the top of the page where your ad is. So I'm going to go ahead and put in that I'm seeking a board of directors member. And then from here for the full description, this is the main text of your ad. So you can either type right into this box and use these different tools to modify the text, or if you'd like, I'm just going to go right into Word and copy and then paste my text in here. You will probably need to do a little bit of modification if you do that in order to get the ad formatted the way you'd like. The next choice here is date to be posted. That defaults to the current date. You can also hit the little icon here and change that to a later date if you'd prefer to have the ad posted later. When you place your ad, the communications team at CTCPA gets a notification, and we do need to go in and manually approve and post the ad. If it's during business days, we generally do that as soon as we can within an hour or two. If it's after hours, it may be a little bit more, but we do try to get them approved as soon as we possibly can. Down here under relevant link, this would be either a link to your general website, or it could be to a specific employment page. You could also link through if there's a way that someone can apply for your position online. You could put that in there. One note here is you do need to put in that http:// here that tells the website that it's going to an external website like yours. So you can either type that right in here, or you can go into a web browser and just copy and paste that link right in there directly. Categories here, that's those filters that you saw on the classifieds page. So for example, I would choose maybe help wanted. If I also thought general might be another category people might search for, I could put multiple in here. If you change your mind, all you need to do is hit the little X next to the category and that will clear that. So we're all set here now putting in our information. So we're going to hit add to cart. So now you'll see we've been brought through to our shopping cart. If you wanted to place another ad, you could do that right here. You can also see the details on the ad you just placed. If you hit that little drop down there, it'll give you the information on where you placed it and what rate you were getting. I would also say at this point, if you decide that you want to change something about your ad, you can go ahead and hit the remove button in order to change that ad. We don't at this point have the opportunity to modify an ad once it has been placed in your cart. So if you do need to make some changes, you would need to hit that remove button and then place the ad just the way we did. So now we're going to go ahead, and I will say one note here is that if you have not logged in, the site will be giving you the non-member rate for your ad. Once you've logged in, if you are a CTCPA member, it will modify that price to be giving you the member pricing. So we're going to go ahead here, log in to check out. So if you're a CTCPA member or you've done transactions with us before, you will have an account with us. If you've never been on this new site, you're going to want to hit this reset your password, and that will send you an email link so that you can change your password and get into the site. You can also use that if you do have an account with us, but you don't remember your password. You can very quickly and easily do that. If you are not a CTCPA member and you have not had any transactions with us before on the website, you're just going to go down to this not a member and use the create a guest account link. We're going to go ahead here and sign in. So from here, we'll see our classified in the cart again. And if you are a member, again, it would have modified the pricing for you so that you're getting the member rate. Then you can go ahead and hit checkout. The site's going to ask you to just double check some of your contact information, and you can update it here if you need to, and then hit proceed. So from here, up here, we have the billing email address. So that's going to default to your main email address that's associated with your account. If you wanted to change that, you could go ahead in here and modify that. And you'll put in your credit card information. You do have the option to save this card for later use, and that's something the CTCPA does not get any of your credit card information. It's stored as a token with our credit card processor. So it's completely up to you if you'd like to use that feature or not. But then after that, you would just hit the pay button, and then you will get a transaction confirmation page. You'll also get that confirmation via email. If you have any questions after you've placed your ad, you can just use this contact us link right here. That will bring you through to our main staff page. And you can reach out to any of us here in the communications team. We have all of our contact information, or you can just give us a call on our general line and someone would be happy to help you. So thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.